Heartland fans, get ready because the first details about Season 20 are finally starting to emerge. And honestly, it feels like we could be heading into one of the most important chapters in the history of this series. After nearly 2 decades of watching the Bartlett-Fleming family face heartbreak, triumph, unexpected challenges, and unforgettable moments, Heartland is preparing to reach an incredible milestone. 20 seasons is something very few television shows ever achieve, and if the latest updates are any indication, Season 20 could be a celebration of everything fans have loved about this show from the very beginning. The biggest news right now is that Heartland has officially been renewed for Season 20, and production is already underway in Alberta, with the series expected to return in fall 2026. That announcement alone is enough to get fans excited, because for months there was uncertainty about the future of the show. Many viewers were worried that Season 19 might be the final chapter, especially considering how many major storylines seem to be approaching a turning point. Thankfully, it looks like there is still more story left to tell. And if you ask me, the timing could not be better because the Season 19 finale left us with one massive question that has the potential to completely reshape Amy's future. As most fans remember, Nathan's proposal was one of the biggest moments of the season. Not only did he ask Amy to marry him, but he also invited her to move with Hudson to Salt Spring Island. It was the kind of moment that immediately divided the fan base. Some viewers saw it as the perfect next chapter for Amy after everything she has been through. Others felt that leaving Heartland Ranch would simply be impossible for her. After all, this ranch is not just her home. It is part of her identity. That is why I think Season 20 will begin by focusing heavily on Amy's decision. If Amy accepts Nathan's proposal, she could finally be allowing herself to embrace a completely new future. For years, we have watched her put family responsibilities ahead of her own happiness. She has always been the person helping others, fixing problems, and keeping things together. Maybe now it is finally time for her to choose herself. But at the same time, Heartland without Amy at the ranch would feel almost unimaginable. This is where things become really interesting. I believe the writers may create a compromise. Instead of permanently leaving Heartland, Amy could decide to split her time between the ranch and a new life with Nathan. This would allow her relationship to continue growing while still keeping her connected to the family and the horses that have defined her journey. And honestly, that feels much more like Amy. She has never been someone who walks away from her family. Another storyline that could become extremely important in Season 20 is Lou's future. Over the years, Lou has experienced countless ups and downs. Sometimes she has been at the center of the family's biggest conflicts, while other times she has acted as the glue holding everyone together. Recently, however, it feels like Lou has found a new level of maturity and confidence. That is why I would not be surprised if Season 20 places her in a leadership role unlike anything we have seen before. If Amy spends more time focusing on her relationship with Nathan, someone will need to help manage the family's growing responsibilities. Lou could become the person who ensures that Heartland continues thriving during this transition. Of course, knowing Lou, things will never be simple. There will likely be new business challenges, unexpected setbacks, and difficult decisions that force her to prove herself once again. Meanwhile, I think Jack Bartlett's role could become more emotional than ever. One of the things that has made Heartland so special is Jack's presence. He represents the history of the ranch, the values of the family, and the wisdom that guides everyone through difficult times. As Heartland enters its 20th season, I would not be surprised if the writers spend more time reflecting on Jack's legacy. In fact, I think there is a strong possibility that many storylines will revolve around preserving everything he has built. After all, the next generation is slowly taking over. Lindy is growing up. The family is changing. Relationships are evolving. And that naturally raises questions about what the future of Heartland Ranch will look like 20 years from now. Another character I am extremely curious about is Katie. For years, fans have watched Katie grow from a child into a young woman with her own dreams and ambitions. Season 20 could be the perfect opportunity to give her a larger role in the overall story. Perhaps she develops a passion for horses similar to Amy. Maybe she decides to pursue a completely different path. Or perhaps she finds herself caught between her personal goals and her responsibilities to the family. Whatever happens, it feels like the younger generation is ready to take a major step forward. And speaking of younger characters, there is another topic that fans continue discussing every single year. Could Ty somehow return? Now, before anyone gets too excited, there is currently no official indication that Ty is returning as a full-time character. However, Heartland has always found creative ways to keep his memory alive. Ty remains one of the most important figures in the history of the show. His influence continues to shape Amy's decisions. His presence can still be felt throughout the ranch. And because of that, I believe Season 20 will continue honoring his legacy. Whether through flashbacks, memories, conversations, or emotional moments involving Lindy, Ty's impact on the story is far from over. In many ways, he remains part of Heartland's heart. At the same time, I think Nathan's growing role in the series will become one of the defining elements of Season 20. Let's be honest. Winning over Heartland fans is not easy, especially when a character enters Amy's life after someone as beloved as Ty. Yet Nathan has slowly earned the respect of many viewers. He has shown patience. He has shown understanding. And perhaps most importantly, he genuinely cares about Amy. That does not mean everyone trusts him completely. There are still fans who remain skeptical. There are still viewers wondering whether he is truly the right person for Amy. And that is exactly why Season 20 has so much potential. The writers now have an opportunity to fully explore their relationship. Can they build a future together? Can Nathan become part of the Heartland family? Can Amy truly open her heart again? These questions could drive much of the season's emotional core. Another thing worth discussing is the possibility of new challenges facing the ranch itself. Heartland has never simply been a family drama. The ranch has always been a character in its own right. Whether dealing with financial difficulties, environmental problems, horse rescues, or unexpected emergencies, the ranch constantly faces obstacles that test the family. I would be very surprised if Season 20 did not introduce a major threat that forces everyone to come together. Perhaps a business competitor arrives. Maybe changing economic conditions create difficulties, or maybe a natural disaster puts the ranch at risk. Whatever the challenge ends up being, Heartland has always been at its best when the family must unite against a common problem. And honestly, that feels like the perfect way to celebrate 20 seasons. Now let's talk about something that many fans are already calling the most exciting possibility for Season 20. A major family reunion. As this milestone season approaches, there is always the chance that familiar faces could return for special appearances. Heartland has built an enormous cast over the years. Many beloved characters have come and gone. And if the producers want Season 20 to feel truly special, bringing back a few fan favorites could create some unforgettable moments. Imagine the emotional reactions. Imagine the nostalgia. Imagine seeing old friendships renewed after years apart. That alone would make Season 20 feel like an event, rather than just another season. Of course, at this point, these remain theories rather than confirmed information, but they are exactly the kind of surprises that milestone seasons often deliver. When it comes to the first look at Season 20, one thing seems clear. The focus appears to be on family. The official description emphasizes the Bartlett-Fleming family facing new challenges while coming together like never before. That wording immediately caught my attention because it suggests that unity will play a major role in the upcoming season. Rather than focusing on a single character, the story may highlight the strength of the entire family. And honestly, that feels appropriate. Heartland has survived for nearly 20 years because viewers connect with this family. People watch because these characters feel real. They argue, they make mistakes, they struggle. But no matter what happens, they always find their way back to each other. That message has never been more important than it is today. As for the release date, while an exact premiere day has not been officially confirmed by CBC, the most consistent information currently points toward a fall 2026 release window. Production is already underway, which means fans likely will not have to wait too much longer before seeing the first official trailer. Personally, I think we could see promotional material arrive sometime toward the end of summer. That would give CBC plenty of time to build excitement for the show's return. And considering how significant Season 20 is, I expect the marketing campaign to be bigger than usual. This is not just another season. This is a celebration of everything Heartland has accomplished. 20 seasons, hundreds of episodes, countless memories, generations of fans. Very few television series ever reach this point. That is why I believe Season 20 will be about more than just introducing new storylines. It will also be about honoring the journey that brought us here. Whether Amy chooses Nathan, whether the family faces new challenges, whether old characters return, or whether unexpected surprises await around every corner, one thing feels certain. Heartland is preparing to enter a brand new era, and if the first details are any indication, it could be one of the most emotional, meaningful, and memorable seasons the show has ever delivered. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Amy will accept Nathan's proposal? Could she actually leave Heartland Ranch? Which returning character would you most like to see in Season 20? And do you believe this milestone season could become one of the greatest chapters in Heartland history? Let me know your theories in the comments below. And until we get the official trailer, let's keep counting down the days until we return to Heartland Ranch one more time.